Hello guys, welcome to our channel Angel with Servicenow. Today topic is lookup rule in Servicenow. How to apply lookup rule in Servicenow. So come to this point. Lookup is basically what is so auto-populating and lifting. These meaning based like lookup rule. Come to the definition of lookup rule. It is automatically set on. Lookup rule is automatically set on one or more field value on certain condition met. It is two type, assignment lookup rule and priority lookup rule. Assignment lookup rule based on category and subcategory auto-populate like assignment group assigned to configuration item location so many field which is referred to other. Now come to the priority lookup. It is based on impact and urgency. Impact and urgency we know depend on the priority. Okay, now we come to the ServiceNow instance and apply how to lookup rule. So let's navigate. First of all, we open incident form. So here just we navigate assignment come to bit down. Here is system policy and under system policy here is the assignment lookup rule. So here if we add a new assignment lookup rule, so here we select category is network and subcategory is disk, sorry network से related internet application. Okay, and assignment group will be selected to related group network, that means select to network. Okay, here we fill our form. If category is network and subcategory is internal application and then assignment group populate network in incident form. So just save and come to the incident form. Here just reload. Our category is network and subcategory is okay. Here is not mismatch. That's my mistake. DNS. We select DNS. Now save. DNS. Look at here. Assignment group is populate network. Okay. So based on our category and subcategory, we can add more field in our form, like assignment to configuration item, service offering, and assign to a location. So many field we can add, but here I add only one field for a example. Now we come to the uh, in priority lookup. Okay. So under system policy, there is a priority lookup rule. So come to here. Here is also same thing uh, as assignment lookup rule, but in priority lookup rule, we know that about incident form, incident list. Okay, and come to the incident form for better understanding. Here, priority lookup rule is based on impact urgency. So, if we select impact is low and urgency is low, then priority will be auto select and read only it will planning. But here we cannot change because it is available in Servicenow, so we cannot change. But if our requirement has in our project, then we can create the combination of the priority in our project. So we can create, but right now we are not going to create any priority lookup. Here is the impact. Suppose I select high and urgency is low, then our combination will be moderate. It will, if I submit, then it will be work on our project. So right now we no need to do here. Just understand what is priority lookup and where we can use. Suppose I get 10 tickets to resolve. So first we know what is the based on impact and urgency, and depend on the um, how much we have damage and how much we have urgency. So it's depend on the these two field, impact and urgency. Based on these two field, we have to resolve our incident. So in the incident list view, here is the lots of list, but just we take a example for 10 record. Suppose I got a 10 record of incident to resolve on the priority based. So we know that in the incident form about the impact and urgency and priority. So the on the basis of these three, we just go, and first our priority is critical to resolve how early, and then after we have to resolve the condition second, which is high, then after third. So depend on the priority criteria we have to resolve. So this is the critical condition, so how early we have to resolve it. So here we understand difference between assignment and priority. Assignment lookup rule is the based on our the requirement, just like as a custom. Suppose we have the requirement on the assignment lookup rule, on the based of category and subcategory, those field we have required we can add on, but in the priority we can not use, because in our instance it is available.